Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites: tools, backup gear, and a clear escape route. Move to a distant vantage point and use binoculars or fly mode to mark weak walls and turret clusters. This reduces firefights. Once done, drop a disposable stash with spare meds and a secondary weapon near your spawn. Make sure to sync timers with teammates and assign a breacher, suppressor, and looter. You're ready to approach when everyone knows roles and the exit path is mapped. You breach with a coordinated distraction and focused entry. First, use smoke or a drone to draw attention while the breacher places TNT at the pre-marked weak wall. This increases success and reduces crossfire. Then, move in with suppression covering the entry and immediately disable nearby turrets or alarms. Once inside, clear methodically. Corner sweep, loot high-value containers first, and mark cleared rooms for teammates. Keep one player watching the escape route in case you finish by prioritizing high-value items and preparing for extraction. Quickly transfer critical loot to portable bags or the getaway vehicle, then trigger your escape routine. Use smoke, flash grenades, or a fast vehicle to confuse pursuers. If things go wrong, execute your fallback. Head to the prearranged recovery point and swap to backup gear. If trapped inside, cut power or jam communications to buy time while hiding in an airtight room. Make sure to regroup, redistribute loot, and log lessons for the next raid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.